yeah, let's get stuff done. The goodie.
Alright, Chase, go open this box up. See what we got. What is that?
Boom. Oh, look at that.
Oh,
yeah.
Some new gloves for you, buddy.
Hey, thank you, man. That's exactly what I needed right there.
Get rid of those old red ones we got.
Exactly.
They're large. I'm just saying they fit a little small on the website, but I figured,
yeah,
hey,
no, these are a lot better.
you want good to dexterity instead of big old mitten glove.
Yep, exactly.
Awesome.
Hell
So
yeah.
happy teriyaki. Hey guys, what's up? Today we're making the Cougar House Fab track bar kit for this 2006 Chevrolet Silverado straight axle project we're working on here. We got our Heim joints from Ballistic Fab, some of the best there are, and then we're able to have some plate here, and then we got our dome tubing we picked up from Tacoma Steel laying here across the bench last Friday. So now we'll get this stuff cut down to size, and we'll get the track bars themselves made. We'll weld in the slugs to them, and then we'll get in the engineering PC here, and we'll design up the frame side Cougar House Fab track bar mount to go there, and then we'll design up the axle side piece as well and get those plasma cut out and start welding some parts together. So let's get started, guys. Alright guys, here's the 1.5" 120 wall dome we picked up from Tacoma Steel, and then here's the Heim joint. Well, no, that's actually one for steering. Here, let's get out the smaller ones. There we go. These are 5/8 size. That's what these are right here. So we just got to take the slug piece off of these, stick it in the end of the dome here, weld them on, measure the length how we want them, and then we'll make the frame side pieces after we get the slugs welded in the track bar links themselves. Track bar tube, I guess you'd call it. And then we'll make the frame side piece and axle side piece then. But we're going to get these dealt with first because they're so big. We're going to just get them measured out, cut, and get those ends welded in. So let's do that part first. Cue the music.
I sink finally, someplace I found peace in the dark of night. Tabletops counting hours in the early hours, stone cold inside, banging drops, dancers, never needing answers. We wander all alone, but we can't find the street lights go. We wander all alone, but we can't deny we are the street light people. Chasing whatever kills for so long, I forgot how it feels in the dark of night. Tabletops counting hours in the early hours, stone cold inside, banging drops, dancers, never needing answers. We wander all alone, but we can't find the street lights go. We wander all alone, but we can't deny we are the street light people.
House Fab track bar kit finished. We got the whole thing designed up in the engineering PC this morning, and then we plasma cut everything out on the Bailey plasma table. Tomorrow we'll come in here and we'll metal prep all the edges to all those plates, and then we'll get those parts all tacked together, test fit them on the truck, and then once we're satisfied with the way they fit, we'll pull it all off, fully weld everything, and then do a final test fit. And then we have to come back to the front coilovers once Radflow sends us up the correct coil springs, and then we'll readjust them up there, and then we're going to make the lower axle side coilover mounts a little shorter for Rick, so it lowers it a little bit more. He wants it a little lower, so we'll do that for him. And then we'll make some lift blocks for the back to compensate, so that way it'll sit level. We always like them cali raked a little bit. His son Eric likes them cali raked a little too, but he wants it level, so no problem. We can do that for him. So in the next episode, guys, we'll move on doing all that stuff. I mean, thank you guys for watching today. Drop a comment. Let us know what you think of the Silverado. Thanks, you guys, so much for your constant support as always. Thank you to the new subscribers. Remember to hit that bell up there in the corner so that way every time I upload, you guys know, hey, a live episode of Cougar House Garage is up. And if you guys want one of these 4-link kits or traction bar kit or any of these things for your Ford, Dodge, or Chevrolet, just hit us up in the DMs. And if you guys like Cougar House Garage, you like what we do, check us out at cougarhousegarage.com. Check us out at Facebook.com/Cougar House Garage. And we are Cougar House Garage on Instagram, guys. We post up all the crazy builds there. Follow along with us, and we'll catch you tomorrow.